Once we feel well grounded, we are going to begin healing ourselves at the root chakra. Many people who learn Reiki feel more comfortable invoking the Reiki energy, asking the energy to be present and available for self-healing. Other people who do not have that belief can simply set the intention to heal themselves. And we set that intention by putting our hands right here on our hips. Now, the root chakra is actually located at the base of the spine, but it's most comfortable to sit with the hands on the hips, and we can mentally direct the energy to flow down to the base of the spine. We set our hands on our hips. We set the intention to be healing ourselves. We all know that we have an immune system. Let me suggest that we also have what may be called, let's say, a psychological or a spiritual or energetic immune system. And that is a very simple, down-to-earth way of interpreting what we mean by Reiki. In the self-healing process, we simply allow the energy to flow. We can call that the energy Reiki or love, self-love, caring about ourselves. Any and all of those concepts are very effective. The root chakra begins developing when we are still babies in the womb, up through the first year of life. So it's very foundational in our lives. It's through the root chakra that we get our sense of stability, our sense of belonging, a sense of trust. Now this comes from the immediate family. Relationships with mothers, fathers, older siblings, and the extended family. If there are any difficulties at that stage of life, it may manifest as some sort of problems at the root chakra. Now, the point is not to sit here and analyze what life was like during the first year of life. Rather, we simply set the intention by placing our hands on our hips, sending the energy down to the root chakra, and allowing the energy to help us. Now, for the 5 minutes of this video, I'll be explaining various characteristics of the chakra, and then after the video, I suggest you can sit for a further 5 minutes in silence to experience how this feels. The chakra system can take care of both physical and mental aspects of our lives. For example, some people have an eating disorder of some type. They may eat far too much or they eat far too little. This can manifest in being overweight or underweight. Quite commonly, people will have elimination problems, whether it be constipation or diarrhea or other complications related to the intestines and the colon, which are located in the region of the root chakra. Keep in mind that there's a strong relationship between some of these psychological and physical manifestations. For example, if a person is unable to trust, that may manifest as constipation. Or another person may feel that they don't belong. They don't belong to the family or the community, or they don't feel safe. This may lead to an eating disorder of some type. So when we're healing, we are aware of these different characteristics, but we don't have to be thinking so much about them. I can suggest when the video concludes to sit several more minutes, allowing the energy to flow. Some people feel warmth, some people feel waves, some people, they don't feel anything at all, but they do feel calm, or they feel relaxed. So rather than expecting some type of sensation or some type of feeling, let's simply set the intention to do the healing and allow the energy to do its work.